Welcome to another video by WA Courses. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about an advanced technique on conditional formatting. We talked about conditional formatting in depth in a previous video. If you haven't watched it, please do so. So we have this very large spreadsheet here, and in the previous video, we had shown techniques on how to highlight or format cells conditionally. So we set rules for each of these columns and they got formatted. Now, we had applied these techniques on columns. In this tutorial, we're going to look at how we could apply techniques on rows. We're going to base our conditional formatting on column E. So first, let's undo any conditional formatting that it already has. Clear the rules. So we are going to apply our technique, conditional formatting, on rows based on column E. So based on the units sold. Basically, I want to format rows where the units sold are above 2,000. That is the formatting I'd like to do. I would like all the rows where the units sold are above 2,000 to be formatted in a certain way. First, we would need to select the whole spreadsheet because this will apply to the whole spreadsheet. Now go to conditional formatting. Now I'm looking for a rule that doesn't format cells, but rows. Now I don't really see anything here. We would go to new rule. So we want to create our own rule. Click on that. Now select a rule type. Well, this is for cells, Okay, I want to use a formula to determine which cells to format. So I will choose this. Now I need to edit the rule description. This rule will format values where this formula is true. So now I need a formula. I need to create my formula so that my conditional formatting will apply. The first thing I need to do is type equals. Now, the formula I'm going to type in is going to be absolute, which means that I have to type in the $sign. Now, I need to select the column on which my formatting will be based. And this is column E. So I will type E. Now, what about the row? So E is the column. What about the row? This is kind of tricky because I don't know what I should pick. What we will do is choose based on my current cell. So A1. So let's type in 1. So my formula. If E1 is greater than 2,000, but does this include 2,000? If I wanted to include 2,000, I would also type equals. So greater than or equals 2,000. So if column E is greater than or equals to 2,000, I would like some formatting to happen. What type of formatting? I will set that right now. Click on the Format button and set what type of formatting you would like to happen. I would like a background color, gray. You can also choose a pattern color if you like, a pattern style. You can choose a border. Let's just choose an outline and a font style. I would like bold. I would like bold and green color. When you're done with your formatting settings, click on OK, and you can see your formatting here. Let's choose a fill. Okay. Okay, so now I see my formatting, what it will look like right here. And okay. Now let's take a look at what happened. All the rows that are highlighted, the entire rows, in these rows, the units that have been sold are greater than or equal to 2,000. So in all the highlighted rows, the units sold are over 2,000. Now, if I'm not happy with my rules, I could easily select again, go to Conditional Formatting and Manage Rules. I could change my formatting and I could edit the rule from here or delete the rule. That was the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching.